Hello everyone. The time has come for us to learn about conditional statements. What are conditional statements? Conditional statements perform a specific task when a specific condition is satisfied. Let us learn this by a real life example. Suppose you want to write a program that compares two numbers and prints the greater number. So let's make that. We need two numbers, so we need two variables. So let us create two variables, int x and int y. Let this be our two variables. Now let us receive the values of x and y from the user. We have learned this in our last lecture. Enter value of x and y. Remember, cin statements can also be cascaded just like cout. So let us receive the values of x and y using cin. X and y, semicolon. Alright, now to print the greater number, we need to use something called if. Now, if followed by a bracket, x greater than y. If the value of x is greater than y, cout x is greater than y. Simple as that. So if the x value is greater than y value, this will be printed. Now let's run this. Okay, now we have to enter the values of x and y. Let it be 15 and 10. And we get the out. X is greater than y because 15 is greater than 10. That is a very simple example to learn if statement. If the condition inside the bracket of if statement is true, the following statement would be executed. That is, the next preceding statement would be executed. It is simple as that. If the if condition is true, we'll get a following output, and if it is not true, what would happen? Now what would happen if x was not greater than y? Let's try that. 15 and 25. This time y is greater than x. No output. So how do we fix this? That is where our next lecture comes in handy. See you there.